You've probably collected pieces over time, things you love, things that mean something from different moments in your life. And your room might even look beautiful, but it doesn't feel the way you expected. And that usually has nothing to do with what you bought. It's how everything is coming together, or not. Your home should tell your story. If it doesn't, that's what we're gonna fix today. Because this is the part most people don't realize. It's not about adding more, it's about what you do with what's already there. This is where styling comes in, not just placing a few objects and calling it done, but styling as the layer that brings everything together. The layer that gives your space that sense of ease, that quiet feeling that everything just works. And when styling is missing, even a beautiful room can feel a little disconnected because nothing is really relating to anything else. There's no conversation happening between pieces. But once that connection is there, everything shifts. You feel it right away. So instead of thinking about styling as decoration, start to see it as how pieces relate to each other in your space, how one piece connects to another, how materials repeat, how shapes and heights play off each other. That's what starts to create that feeling of completeness. Styling gets misunderstood a lot because people think it's about making things look pretty or copying what they see online. But the truth is, styling is where your life shows up in your space. It's where your home starts to feel personal. It's not about having more, it's about choosing what matters and placing it with intention. And this is why two homes that have the same furniture can feel completely different, because styling is what brings meaning into the room. Inside my 3D method, Discover, Design, Deliver, this is the deliver stage. This is where everything comes together, not just visually, but emotionally too. So let's break this down into something simple you can use. There are a few key ideas that make styling feel natural instead of forced. First, layering. Instead of placing one item, you're layering pieces together. Think different heights, different textures, different shapes. That's what creates interest. Without it, things can feel flat or disconnected. Second, working in odd numbers, groupings in 3s and 5s, just feel more natural to the eye. It's less predictable and a little more relaxed. And third, this is the most important one. Personal anchors. Every styled surface needs something that connects to you. A photo, a book, a piece you've collected, because that's what turns styling into something meaningful. Let me show you how simple this can be. On a console table, instead of leaving it empty or placing one object, create a small grouping, a lamp for height, a stack of books for structure, and something organic like a plant. Now it feels balanced and intentional. On a coffee table, try a tray. It anchors everything. Then you can layer in a candle or a small object and something natural like flowers. Suddenly it doesn't feel like random pieces, it feels styled. Even something small like a bedside surface can shift the whole feeling of a room. A framed photo, a small vase, a couple of books. It's simple, but it makes the space feel lived in. And here's the key. You don't need to fill every surface. Styling isn't about adding more, it's about adding just enough. This is why styling looks different in every home, because your life is different. Your story is different. And that's exactly the point. When your home reflects that, it stops feeling off. It starts to feel complete. If you've been feeling a little unsure where to start with your space, I created a free guide called Design Your Space with Clarity. It walks you through a simple, thoughtful process to help you understand what matters, make more intentional decisions, and start bringing your space together in a way that feels clear and actually reflects how you live. You can download it through the link in the description below. It's a really good place to start if things have been feeling a little unclear. So here's something simple you can try. Pick one surface in your home, just one, a coffee table, a console, a shelf, anything. and style it with 3 pieces you love. Play with height, play with shape, play with textures. Then step back and notice how the room starts to shift and feel. Inside Discover Design, I guide you through styling as part of the bigger process. So you're not just placing things, you're creating flow throughout your entire home. So everything feels connected, not just styled. And once you understand this, you don't need to keep buying new things to make your home feel fresh. In the next video, I'll show you how to refresh your space using what you already have. And that's where it really starts to feel easy.